Once upon a time, a long, long ago, in far-off Thailand, a golden-throated LaLa bird sat perched atop a high tree, singing this song at the top of its lungs. A hunter came walking through the forest, and when he heard the marvelous song, he immediately wanted the bird for his own. He set about making trap using his the bird's favorite food, ginger leaves.
Don't drop the voice, Gracie.
No matter how clever the hunter tried to be, the bird would not be tempted to lose its freedom. It flew around the trap, then returned to its perch and continued singing.
Oh, wait. It has to start in the right place. Come on. You ready?
The hunter decided that if he could not have the bird alive, that he would have it dead. So with his crossbow, he shot the LaLa bird. It fell to the hunter's feet, the arrow right through its heart.
This surely would have been the end of any ordinary bird. But as the hunter was walking home, he heard a sound from the bottom of his hunting bag.
No, you're going to have to wait, guys. You've never had this issue before. You have to wait.
When he got home, the hunter boiled up a big pot of water. Soon the LaLa bird was chopped into 100 pieces. Into the stewing pot the bird went. Vegetables, herbs, and hot spices were added, but the song still came bubbling up from the pot. Onto the table, into the spoon, and down the throat the bird passed. After supper, the hunter went to bed, but he did not spend a restful night. Every time he was about to drop off to sleep, he heard
Next morning, the hunter thought, now at last I've heard the end of that miserable bird. He sat up to rest when a neighbor came by and asked,
"What's that sound I hear coming from your banana grove? It sounds like somebody singing."
The hunter was at his wit's end. He grabbed the shovel, pitched the remains of the bird in a big wooden box, covered it with dirt, nailed the box shut, and sailed it down the river. The box finally reached the ocean, where it floated around for 3 full years.
At last he came to rest on a sandy beach where a sorcerer was working on his magic spells. He opened the box, and out flew a magnificent eagle. The elegant bird flew straight back to the hunter's house and haunted him for the rest of his life with the sound of